Hi, welcome to Davri Logs. Today I'm going to introduce one of the product is called Scalpe Plus. This is expert anti-dandruff shampoo. Today among ourselves, everybody is suffering with most of the guys suffering with dandruff problem. I think this is helps us basically. This scalp expert anti-dandruff shampoo. It has the formula of ketoconazole gypto conditioner. It is acting as a conditioner. It has the 5 major advantages. It is acts as anti-dandruff, anti-recursive, prevents itching, flaking, and scaling, and prevents hair fall and conditioning. This is the recursive means it won't occur any time. Again, you won't face any dandruff problem. Basically, anti-recursive means it won't face the dandruff problem. It has the 5 expert benefits. Basically, it is the formula of the basically it has the chemical formula. It is a proven formula, the proved formula, the expert anti-dandruff shampoo. It is the formula of composition is the ketoconazole 2%, zinc pyrothane as description. It is in a conditioning based color carmosine. Here we have to use the shake well before use. I think this is the most useful solution. Let us see how to apply this formula basically, how to use it basically. How to use it. Yeah, wet hair and scalp and apply. Wet hair should have wet hair and scalp and apply sufficient shampoo to produce enough lather basically. Massage for 1 minute and rinse with warm water and repeat procedure for additional 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water and dry hair properly. I think this can be used for weekly twice. That means use one in 3 days for 4 weeks followed by once weekly as a maintenance therapy. Due to dandruff, as long as shampoo is used. First, you can use your regular shampoo for weekly twice and after 4 weeks it will be gone. I think it will be helpful for everybody who is suffering with dandruff problem. This is the advantage. Let us see. We'll unbox and we'll see the internally what it is contains basically. Yeah, I have unboxed the same thing. It is well. We need to use the before shake well before use. I think basically it contains the 70 ml. Basically, it contains the 70 ml as per the given description. It is 70 ml. Scalp before. I think so many in the market, so many anti-dandruffs are there. I am suggesting as per I have my friends and I have so many other guys are used. They are really feel happy after using this anti-dandruff shampoo. You can you can use this one as a anti-dandruff shampoo. This I think the price is around 280 rupees. I bought for 280 rupees. Earlier you used to get 220, 230 rupees. Nowadays we can get at 280 rupees. The price is also okay. We can use for once and twice in a week. We can use it twice in a week, this shampoo. This is the healthcare product. Can use who is suffering with anti-dandruff. Most of the guys I think nowadays is suffering with anti-dandruff and flakes and itching problem and hair fall problem. To prevent the hair fall, first of all, dandruff should not be there, I think. Thank you, friends. Thank you. If you have any comments and things and comment me, provide your comments on comment section and thank you very much.